In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a neon lights text effect in Canva. To get started, open your Canva design and make sure the project you want to work on is already on your screen. Once your design is open, either add a new text box or select the text that's already in your design. This step is important because Canva only shows text editing options when the text itself is active. So if you don't see the text tools yet, just click directly on the words you want to style. After your text is selected, move your attention to the top toolbar. This is where Canva keeps most of the main editing controls for text, including font settings, colors, spacing, and special styling options. In that top menu, click on Effects. This will open the panel that contains different visual styles you can apply to your text. Once the Effects panel is open, scroll down through the available options until you find neon lights. Depending on your screen size, you may need to scroll a little more to see all the styles, so take your time and look carefully. The neon lights effect is designed to give your text that glowing, illuminated look, which works especially well for modern graphics, posters, social media content, and designs with a darker background. When you find neon lights, click to apply it to your text. Right away, you should see your lettering change and take on that glowing neon appearance. From there, adjust the intensity setting to match the look you want. A lower intensity can create a softer, more subtle glow, while a higher intensity gives a brighter and more dramatic neon effect. Choose the setting that fits your design style and makes your text easy to read. As you make this adjustment, it helps to look at the text in the context of the full design, not just on its own. The best intensity level is usually the one that stands out clearly without overpowering everything else on the page. If needed, make small changes until the result feels balanced. And that's it. Once you've selected the neon style and set the intensity to your liking, your text is ready to go. This is a quick and effective way to make titles or keywords stand out inside Canva with a bright, eye-catching finish.